So today also the very important topic, and when it comes to the financial statement versions, okay, down payments are very important. Okay, for the particular customer and vendor in ECC as well as in SAP S/4HANA. Good. Go to the Skype, Ranjit. Download the document, down payments configurations for vendors. Open this document. Okay, good. See, a down payments configuration steps for vendors. You can see a lot of configurations, but the thing is that all of you just try to observe the point in financial statement versions. Okay, you need to prepare the uh, item groups. Based on the item groups, you will be categorized each and everything. Okay, see, when it comes to the current assets, you do have current assets, normal current assets and non-current assets. When it comes to liabilities, you do have liabilities and non-liabilities you have. Okay. And then expenses, revenues, whatever the things that you have. Okay. You need to create the item group. Based on the item group, you can able to create the items. Okay. Based on that item, you can able to assign the accounts. So whenever you are posting each and everything, okay, in particular transaction codes, that should be stored in the one report. Okay, so per month, I mean, in each and every month, you have to do month ending activities and you have to prepare the financial statement versions. You have to prepare the month ending activities like foreign currency evaluations, okay, and asset reports, okay, and then costing reports and all. See, you have to prepare each and everything. So to prepare each and everything, we need to have proper accounts, right? So based on the proper accounts, we need to set the financial statement versions. In the financial statement versions, you need to assign all these GL accounts. Okay, so in that thing, down payments GL accounts are very important. Please try to understand the point. Down payments GL accounts are very important. Okay, financial statement versions are very important. Please do the configurations for the financial statement versions. Tomorrow we will going to discuss about the financial statement versions. Okay, and don't neglect it, all of you. Okay, when it comes to the interview point of view, so many people will be there. Okay, and they will test your knowledge. Based on your knowledge only, they will take your profile. Otherwise, they won't write. Okay, that is another thing. See, when it comes to the down payments things and all, down payments are used for the vendors as well as the customers. Okay, why? Why? Because, see, I will give you the basic example. You want to buy a car. Okay, when you want to buy a car, okay, from a Suzuki or from anything, from Benz or from Skoda or anything. Okay, if you want to buy the car, okay, you will just estimate the price. Based on that price, they will suggest you to pay the amount of car. Okay, so to pay the amount of the car or to register the car on your name, automatically you have to pay the advance, right? If you don't pay the advance, what will happen, all of you? Someone will coming into the picture and they will going to take out your car. Okay, I mean, if you are very much interested to take the car, automatically you have to pay the advance amount. So to pay the advance amount in SAP system, if they are using the SAP systems and all, we just use the down payments. Okay, so that is the main scenario. At the same time, not the core examples and all, you do have vendors, you do have customers. Okay, suppose your product is a what is the product? McDonald's product. Okay, or else anything. You need to have the raw material. Okay, every day you need to get the each and every material. Okay, for drinks or for food or anything. Okay, so you will get the material, right? So to get the material, okay, and also to give the, I mean, if you want to give the intimation to the particular vendor, automatically they will just ask you for the advance. Please pay the sum of the amount of this particular raw material. Okay, automatically we will send the material. We will send the material based on that material. You will going to pay the amount. Okay, so system should pop up the down payments for particular end users, and after that they will just understand that, oh, on this vendor we do have this much of advance amount, and after that advance amount we can able to have the rest of the amount. Okay, so we need to clear this rest of the amount only, not the advance amount. Advance amount should be cleared. Okay, before you post the invoices, I mean, before you clear the invoices. That is the important thing, all of you. Just this is just for the advanced payments for the vendors as well as the customers. Okay, that is the important thing right now we have. And one more thing is that when it comes to the financial statement versions and all, you need to show the report, all of you. Okay, why? Because you will pay the advance at one time. Okay, and you will pay the rest of the things at one time. Okay, so all of these things should be there in the financial statement versions. Go to the SAP system and okay, close all these things and go to the FS 00 transaction code. Go to the FS 00 transaction code. Remove this thing and current in the current assets you can just take out the down payment paid account for Windows. Go to the create option. Take out the GL account. Go to the continue option. See, whatever the GL accounts that you are creating here, all of you, all those things should be assigned to the financial statement versions. Above there is an option, edit financial statement version. Okay, all of you. So try to understand the point. The next one, in the accounting group, tomorrow's class you are going to get the complete understanding of the financial statement versions, why we are taking all these things. Okay, so current assets, You got the current assets and the balance sheet account, and short text is down payment paid account, and GL long text is also down payment paid account. So this down payment paid account particularly do the particular reconciliations, right? For that reconciliations, okay, go to the control data and give the currency and reconciliation account for type as vendors. Line item display and sort key and go up, and reconciliation accounting type is vendors. Go up. Here in the reconciliation account for type is vendors. Then next, go to the create or bank interest. So this is the reconciliation account, right? Based on that reconciliation account. So what we need to do? So give the Z067. Click on the enter, go to the symbol and save it. Okay, so the next one is all of you create vendor reconciliation account in the GL using transaction code FS00. Same thing. So if you don't have vendor GL accounts and customer GL accounts, please try to create it in vendor and also customer GL accounts and all. Okay, that is the very, very important thing right now we have. Okay, so go to the FS00, try to find out, do we have the vendor reconciliation accounts? I think so in current liabilities, we do have vendor reconciliation accounts. Okay, good. So this vendor reconciliation account is there, and show me the next configurations. And see all of you, these are small configuration. From tomorrow onwards, we don't have small configurations. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we do have big configurations. Try to understand the point. Go to the Skype. Sorry, what document? So assign these down payment paid account and vendor reconciliation account using transaction code OBYR. Can you go to the transaction code OBYR? Go to the transaction code OBYR. And whatever the things that we have prepared, based on that thing only, we need to assign down payments request as well as the down payments on the current assets. Okay, so can you double click on this A special GL indicator, double click on A, yes, and give your chart of accounts, yes, give your chart of accounts. Can you give the reconciliation account? Give the reconciliation account based on your chart of accounts. Not the customer reconciliation account. This is for vendor reconciliation account. You have given the customer reconciliation account. Remove this thing. Take out the vendor reconciliation account. The next one is special GL account that you have created, right? That is down payment paid account. Down payment paid account. Yes, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. So you will do the payment request, right? Okay. I mean, why? Because see, when you are paying the advance amount to the particular organizations or vendors, you don't have requests, payment requests and all. And after that, you need to, I mean, based on the payment requests and all, they will go into, they will go into think that, okay, on this customer or else on this vendor, we do have advanced payments, okay, and we should deduct these advanced payments, and rest of the payments of the invoices should be raised. Okay, so after that, so based on the system information only, without having the system information, we cannot do it, right? And we need to go to the report and we need to see it. Based on the information systems only, we will do it. Can you come back? And we have done with the down payments on current assets. Okay, based on our requirement only, all of you. So the next one is down payments request F. Double click on F. So here, give the reconciliation account as well as special GL account. Okay, so go to the separate and save it, give slash n and go to the next Word document. So the next one is creation of the vendor reconciliation is over. Down payment paid account and vendor reconciliation assignment is also over. Okay, the next important thing is that down payment request using transaction code F-47. Okay, down payment request using transaction code F-47. So I mean, one organization is paying the amount to the particular vendor. Okay, and from the vendor side, the end users will try to post the down payment request using transaction code F-47. Okay, that is a very, very important thing right now. We have all of you. Can you just try to give the date? Okay, so, and the account will be our own vendor account. And what is the target special GL indicator? So that is A. A. Target special GL account is A. So K is for the vendor, right? And D is for the customers. Can you click on the enter? Or else go to the new item. In company code, the number range 13 is missing. Go to the FBN1 transaction code. So give slash n here. Give slash n here. Go to the transaction code FBN1 and give the company code and go to the intervals. Go to the intervals and try to insert the thing that is 13. So for the down payments, we do have number ranges. Okay, 2023. And what is the last number? 1000, right? 1000, not 1 to 1200. Click on the enter, go to the civil and save it. Okay, come back to this screen. Can you click on the enter or else go to the new item? Okay, so now you can just give the amount as anything, down payment. Suppose if the raw material price is 60,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees, and you will just give the advance amount, that is 25,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees. Just give me anything, amount as 25,000 rupees. And the next one is due on. Due on, just give due on same day 28.06.2023. And the next one here in the text is down payment request. Here in the text is down payment request. Okay, see all of you, we are just giving the payment request. Okay, on that particular vendor. So we are just giving the payment request. Okay, so on our systems, if you pay the amount of the particular vendor, advance amount, we need to post these invoices, right? So based on that thing only, we will going to post this down payment request. Okay, that is 20,000 rupees. Click on the enter, go to the continue option. I mean, say go to the save button and save it. So what is this document? 1001 is the document thing. Okay, go to the Word document. 1001 is for the, go to the document and try to write down after the F-47 or else give the bracket. 1001 is for the down payment request document. Okay, the next one. So whatever the request that you have posted here, that is just a request and it will not be recorded in any reporting. Okay, so for that thing, we will going to post this down payment using transaction code F-48. Go to the transaction code F-48. Go to the transaction code F-48. Here give the document date and posting date, and any document text is down payment postings for vendor. The next one is in the vendor account, just give the, take out the vendor account, and the next one is in the special GL indicator. In the vendor account, take out the vendor. In the special GL indicator, so you have taken the special GL indicator, that is A, right, for the down payment request. So based on that down payment request, we will just post this vendor down payment. Okay, so in the special GL indicator, you can just take out the K, that is A, and the next one is bank details. Okay, so to post this vendor payment, you need to have the bank details, right? Account is, take out the bank account here, and the next one is amount. What is the amount? 20,000 rupees, right? And the value date is 28.06.2023. 28.06.2023. Okay, and the text is down payment postings. And the text is down payment posting. Yes, can you go to the, click on the enter or else go to the new item? Yes, here you can just give the amount as 20,000 rupees and due on, and the next one is down payment postings. Next one is down payment postings. In the text is down payment postings. Due on 28.06.2023, and the next one is down payment posting. Okay, so click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Yes. Okay, this document is also posted, all of you. So if you want to see the details, you can able to see it. And what is the error here? Posting only possible with zero balance. So you have given 2 lakh rupee in the first bank. Double click on the first bank. Double click on the first bank. Remove the 2 lakh. Give 20,000 rupees. Click on the enter. Go to the document simulate option. Go to the submit and submit. So this document is also posted. Take out the document number. 805 is the document number. Okay, so this document is also posted, all of you. Okay, the main important, can you go to the transaction code FBL1N? Go to the transaction code FBL1N. FBL1N. Okay, so can you come down and take out the special GL transactions also? Go up and go to the continue option. Go to the execute option, no issue. For that thing, I mean for the 28/06/2022, sorry, 2023, okay, you can just see, can you come down? Down. Go up. What is the vendor that you have taken? Same vendor, huh? Come back. What is the vendor? Continue and go to the continue option. See, for that thing, 28/06/2020, there is a special GL indicators that is 20,000 rupees. Please try to understand the thing. Okay, right. So can you give /n? And we should get the pop-up screen before we post the invoices. So this is the advanced payment that we have, and we should clear it. Okay, go to the notepad, Word document. Go to the Word document. In the Word document, you can just observe, all of you, raise one vendor invoice using transaction code FB60 or F-43. So in the FB60 transaction code, we should get the pop-up screen. Okay, without getting the pop-up screen, how we can able to clear the outgoing payments? Okay, without clearing the down payments. Okay, so can you go to that raise vendor invoice? Go to the transaction code FB60. Go to the transaction code FB60. See, all of you, everything should be in a structure wise. Okay. When you are working on something, okay, you will going to have standard meetings. You will going to have standard calls, and after that you will going to start the work. Okay, that is a structure, right? So for in SAP, for vendors, down payments, and all, we do have structures. Okay, can you take out the vendor? Take out the vendor to post the invoices and all. Okay, and in this transaction code, in this screen only, down payments request is amount should be popped up. Good. And take out the invoice date 28/06/2023 and give the amount as how much amount that we want to raise. Suppose 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees. For this 50,000 rupees, we have paid advance amount 20,000 rupees, right? So in the text, you can just give, in the text, you can just give raw material things. Take out the GL account. And give the amount 50,000 rupees. Okay, can you click on the enter? Give me 1 second. So here 20,000 down payments on current assets are already existed. Okay, so this down payment current on current assets, I mean down payment request is existed, and before you post this down payment, I mean payment clearings for vendors and all, you should clear the down payment. Okay, the system is giving you the warning message. 20,000 down payment is existed. Okay, for that thing, what we need to do, go to the continue option, give the continue. So you are getting the one pop-up screen, right? And go to the simulate option. You will going to try to save this thing. So before we clear the vendor invoices for the particular vendor, what we need to do, all of you, so we need to clear the down payment, right? Go to the save button, just post this thing and take out the document 605. Go to the Word document and give the 605. So before we do all these things, all of you, so we need to clear the down payment. Whatever the request that we have raised, for that amount we need to clear, right? So that we can able to get the proper reporting. So in transaction code F-54, we can able to clear the down payment. Go to the transaction code F-54. Yes, and give the document date, and document header text is down payment clearing. Document header text is down payment clearing. Then take out the vendor account. Take out the vendor account. Right? Can you come down? Can you come down? Give the text as down payment clearing. Give the text as down payment clearing. Down payment clearing. And go to the process open, process down payments. Go up. There is a process down payments. This process these down payments. So how much you want to assign? Okay, I mean if there is some mistakes, okay, that has happened in the previous sections and all, like down payment requests and all, you can able to transfer these postings by entering manual amounts or else by entering automatic amounts. Okay, you can, in the yellow color mark, you can just double click on that. Automatically 20,000 will be assigned. Okay, so this 20,000 will be assigned. Okay, based on that thing, we will going to see the details, right? Okay, so if we don't get the details, I mean somewhere you have done the mistake. Okay, that is the important thing. Somewhere you have done the mistake. So based on that thing only, we cannot able to post the down payment clearance. Okay, so go to the document option, document simulate. Is simulate this thing. Okay, go to the save button and select. So how much we need to clear? Okay, can you give session? Can you give session? Take out the document as 1002. how much we need to clear, all of you. Okay, so 20,000 is cleared, and we need to clear 30,000 rupees, right? So give slash and go to the transaction code FBL1N. FBL1N. Go to the open items for this from the same vendor, right? So you can just see the things all of here. I mean, until you clear the each and every invoice for the particular vendor, automatically it will show you in a green color options. Okay, green color marks options. But the thing is, we have cleared. Okay, 20,000 we have cleared. Okay, the balance is 30,000 rupees. When you clear this balance, automatically it will show you the green color mark. Okay, so go to the transaction code F-53. Go to the transaction code F-53. And try to clear this 30,000 rupees for this particular vendor. And next is payment to vendor, and account is take on the account. And go to the process open items. Give the amount 30,000 rupees. Okay, so 30,000 rupees for that thing also. You do have cash discounts, right? Okay, if you want to assign it, assign it. Otherwise, there is no issue. It's assign this 50,000 rupees and go to the charge of reference. No. Come back. Go to the process open items. 28/06/2022. Okay, 2000 is the cash discount. What is the thing is that go to the charge of difference and try to remove the 30,000 rupees. Just give the 28,000 rupees. Double click on this thing, remove the 30,000, give the 28,000. Click on the enter, go to the process open. Good. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, so this document is also posted. The document is 806. Okay, in that document you can just write down 806. Now you can just check with the FBL1N report. Go to the SAP and give the FBL1N report. Yes, and go to the continue option. Continue. No. Open items and just continue. There is no open items, right? And go to the cleared items. Automatically you will going to see the cleared items. See, cleared items and all items is nothing but the same thing only. And you can just able to see the things with the 28.06.2022. Okay, this is the way we can able to see the details. Okay, for down payments we do have one document type, that is KA. That is very important in SAP ECC.